Have you ever pondered over how the world transitioned from a predominantly agrarian society to a bustling, industrialized one? Welcome to a journey through history, taking a deep dive into the Industrial Revolution, the era that changed the world forever. We begin in the late 18th century, when Europe was on the cusp of significant change. The agrarian societies that had shaped the continent for centuries were about to be transformed as burgeoning populations and evolving economies presented new challenges and opportunities. The engine driving this seismic shift was a wave of technological innovation that would forever alter the course of history. Pioneering inventors, such as James Watt, brought forth the steam engine, revolutionizing transportation, manufacturing, and energy production. This ability to harness the power of steam propelled factories to operate with unprecedented efficiency, pushing productivity to new heights. As the power of steam reshaped landscapes, a new phenomenon emerged: the factory. These industrial behemoths became the epicenter of production, amalgamating workers, machinery, and raw materials under one roof. Textile mills, powered by innovations like the spinning jenny and power loom, thrived, producing fabrics at an unprecedented rate. The rapid expansion of factories and industries sparked a massive migration from rural areas to burgeoning urban centers. Cities such as Manchester, Birmingham, and London swelled with newcomers seeking employment and opportunity. Yet, urban life was unrelenting, marked by overcrowded tenements, poor sanitation, and dangerous working conditions. The rise of factories and industrial capitalism instigated sweeping social and economic changes across Europe. The traditional social order was upended as a new class of industrial capitalists and entrepreneurs emerged, wielding unprecedented wealth and influence. Simultaneously, workers grappled with grueling hours, meager wages, and dismal living conditions, giving rise to labor movements and calls for reform. The Industrial Revolution also profoundly impacted society and culture. Mass production and urbanization birthed new forms of leisure, entertainment, and consumer culture. The rise of industrial cities catalyzed new social movements, ideologies, and artistic expressions, from socialism and feminism to realism in literature and art. As the Industrial Revolution unfolded, it left behind an indelible legacy, laying the foundation for the modern era. Its imprint, both positive and negative, continues to shape our lives today, from the infrastructure and technologies that power our societies to the ongoing debates over labor rights, environmental sustainability, and economic inequality. In conclusion, the Industrial Revolution was a transformative period of human history, characterized by innovation, progress, and upheaval. By exploring its social, economic, and technological dimensions, we glean insight into the forces that have shaped the world we inhabit today. This journey through the Industrial Revolution offers a fascinating glimpse into a pivotal era that ushered in the modern world, forever altering the course of human history.